in this video I'll show you how to use the stopwatch on your Android phone like you would have a normal watch, like a chronograph. So I have the clock app. This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V Android 15, but this is going to be very similar on Google Pixel, or the same actually, and also very close on other phones. You open the clock app here, and once I open the clock app, here I'm on the timer, and I could set alarms, or I could see the actual clock. I could add another time zone here. I could set the timer if I wanted to, but then I have here the stopwatch. And in the stopwatch, it's just like a regular chronograph stopwatch where you start it and it starts to count the minute, the seconds. It's counting seconds here, and these are milliseconds. And if I wanted to pause it, I could pause it, then continue. Pause it and continue. And the best thing is that you have the lap option. If you're running around some stadium, for example, you want to see how much time lap 1 was. It was 34 seconds. Then the next timer was 5 seconds, and so on. And the total number, it keeps going. The total number of seconds, it keeps getting higher. But here you have this information split by each lap. And this is actually really useful, that you see at each second, each time, at each lap, you see where you were in the general stopwatch timer, and also how much each lap took. And this is pretty useful. You can pause it and reset it, start again. It's really useful to measure something, and it's really acting like an actual stopwatch. I really like how this one is working really well like this, in this way. So when I pause it, it's blinking like this. And it even has this little indicator there. So I added another lap and another lap here, and so on. So that's how you use it and reset it. Thanks for watching.